So here we have a magnetic socket organizer set. This is a 3-piece magnetic socket holder, and it's heavy duty. It's capable of holding the standard sizes, which is 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 of an inch. 43 sockets, and the sockets are not included. Now, not that it's a big deal, but these are a great looking set. With the dual color combinations between the red and the black, it could really blend in a lot of toolbox scenarios. Now, this is great for all types of toolboxes, workbenches, and organizational racks. So this will help you organize, declutter toolboxes and rolling carts and keep your work areas clear. The magnets are very powerful and they're rubber coated, so there's no scratching or noise when detaching and attaching. The heavy duty ABS plastic is strong. This way you could kind of bang it around. It'll handle the rigors of a hard working environment. A great feature is the ball bearing design. The ball bearing is designed to hold the sockets firmly in place under heavy duty conditions, and they will not come loose unless you're taking it off the rail. So this is one of my must-haves of having around in the shop, and it has the portability where if you're not sure about the socket size, just take the whole rack to your job site. Usually that's outside near the car for me. So this is a great product, super strong. I highly recommend it.